Hello everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Today I'll be cooking my boneless prime rib roast with beautiful marbling that's tender and juicy. Two days prior to roasting, we'll start by preparing your prime rib. We'll start with the 7-pound boneless prime rib. Make sure to leave the twine in place. This helps the roast keep its shape and cook evenly, and it makes for a better presentation. Cut 1-inch slits across fat cap. This helps the salt and pepper penetrate into the meat and helps the fat release its juices and melt evenly. I'm sharing with you the basics on how to prepare, roast, and serve a prime rib. Certainly make it your own. There are so many flavor variations. You can add garlic inside the slits or herbs such as rosemary or thyme. Rub 3 tablespoons of kosher salt and 2 tablespoons of freshly ground pepper. Rub all over fat cap, getting into every nook and cranny. My prime rib and horseradish sauce is part of our Christmas dinner table, which you can see at the end of the video. It seems like a lot of salt, but remember it's a 7-pound roast and the salt will penetrate and flavor deep inside. Once you have seasoned your roast, place your roast uncovered in the refrigerator for 2 days prior to roasting. This allows the surface of the meat to dry out and evaporate the moisture on the surface, preparing it for a crispier crust. It also develops a deeper flavor. Now for 2 days in the refrigerator. Take your roast out of the refrigerator 1 hour prior to roasting. Reseason with 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and 1 tablespoon of freshly ground pepper. By allowing it to come to room temperature, your roast will cook evenly. And of course, giving your roast a crispier crust. It's all about the crispy crust. Place your prime rib in a roasting pan. Place your roast in a 200-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 3 to 4 hours, uncovered. Remove from oven and check for desired temperature. I shared a doneness chart so you can cook your roast to your liking. Let your roast rest for 30 minutes and raise your oven temperature to 500-degree Fahrenheit. Place your roast back in the oven for about 10 minutes to crisp up. Remove the twine before slicing. I roast my prime rib to about 135 degrees, leaving the ends cooked a little bit more and the center medium done, the best of both worlds. Now let's get started on the horseradish cream sauce. For this recipe, I use fresh horseradish. Grate your horseradish as finely as possible. You can certainly buy jarred horseradish, but it won't be as intense. To your sour cream and horseradish, add chives, lemon juice, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard. Mix well to combine. Horseradish cream can be made a day ahead. It will melt and intensify overnight. The horseradish cream is the perfect pairing to your prime rib. Make sure to check out my other videos on how to make all these tasty dishes that you see on the table. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up so I can keep bringing you more yummy videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.